Okay, here you go. Taxonomy classification. Ready? Remember, kids prefer candy over fancy green salads. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. The 5 kingdoms are monorams, portus, fungi, plants, animals. Okay, mono means one. Remember, it's the first one. Portus is second. Fungi in the middle, plants and animals. Invertebrates. They are animals with no backbone. Invertebrates. Hermaphrodite. A living thing with both male and female reproductive organs. Hermaphrodite. Polyp is a small sea animal. Okay? Has a hollow cylindrical body and a ring of tentacles around its mouth. Polyp. Okay? Medusa. Umbrella-shaped swimming stage in a jellyfish's life. Okay? That's the Medusa stage. Mollusk. A mollusk is a soft-bodied invertebrate, often protected by a hard shell. They think of gastropods, snails, bivalve, clams, cephalopods. Octopus. Gastropods, think of turbo, the snail, gastropod, snails and slugs. A mollusk with a sucker-like foot. That's important to know. Sucker-like foot. Their foot gets stuck on the gas pedal. Bivalve. 2 V's. They look like the clams. Bivalve. A mollusk with a shell made of 2 parts or valves. Clams, mussels, oysters, scallops. Cephalopod. Okay? Cephalopods, they have suckers on their tentacles. They suck. Cephalopod, suck. Mollusks with large heads, ring of tentacles, octopus, squid, cuttlefish, nautilus. How do they defend themselves? They swim fast, they jump out of the water, they change color, and they ink. Exoskeleton. Exoskeleton, hard outer shell. Anthropod. Invertebrate with jointed body case. Remember? They have the different parts that are jointed. Anthropod. Invertebrate with jointed body case. There are 5 major classes of arthropods. 1. Arachnids, spiders. Insects is 2. Crustaceans is 3. Chilopod is 4. And dipopod is 5. So spiders, arachnids, insects, crustaceans, chilopods, which are centipedes, diplopod, which is millipedes. Okay? See that? Let's look at it closer. Arachnids. Invertebrate with 4 pairs of legs. There's scorpions and spiders. Arachnid. Spiders. Most are not harmful to humans. Most have 4 pairs of eyes. Their spider silk is made out of protein. Crustaceans. Invertebrate, jointed legs, 2 pair of antennae. Okay, jointed legs, crabs, remember? And 2 pair of antennae. They begin life as an egg, hatch into a larva called zoea. Zoea. Okay, wood lice. This is a land crustacean. Wood lice. Crabs. They do 3 things with their pinchers. Okay? They defend themselves, they catch and tear food, and they communicate with other animals. Thorax, the central part of the body in between the head and the abdomen. Antennae, long sensory organ. Long sensory organ is your antennae. Okay, metamorphosis, a major change in body shape in the life cycle of an animal. Okay, think of butterflies and frogs. Metamorphosis. Okay, we got larvae and nymphs. Larvae, the young animal develops into the adult with a complete change. They look nothing like the adult. Nymphs resemble their parents. They're an immature insect resembling their adult without wings. Why do they not have wings? They're not old enough to drive. Sucker. Okay? Proboscis, or however you say it. A long, flexible snout or mouth part. Poor butterfly's got to bring his own straw to the restaurant. Save the turtles! Okay? This one, let's see. It's a Chelicera, I think. Chelicera. Remember, Charlotte, from Charlotte's Web, had a Chelicera, which are pair of fangs. See? Pair of fangs. They help tear food. Chelicera. Charlotte had a Chelicera. Say that fast. Okay? Pedipalp. Pedipalps are a pair of antennae. They help grab prey. Pedipalp help you grab your pal before you eat him. Okay? Cnidarian. Okay? Cnidarian. Potty mouths of the ocean. They are jellyfish, sea anemones, coral, and hydra. Think of it this way. Cnidaria, dairy. You can have dairy with your jellyfish sandwich. Cnidaria, phylum, jellyfish, sea anemones, corals, hydra. Okay. Orthoptera. Remember, this is the phylum of the hop. Hop. Grasshoppers, crickets. Okay. Remember, you may not be able to see. Grasshoppers and crickets. Okay. Remember that they hop. Orthoptera. And crickets have their ears are on their knees. Odonata. DDD. Odonata. Remember, it's the scientific phylum of the D's. Dragonfly and damselfly. Odonata. Dragonfly, damselfly. Dragonflies, wings and flight. Remember that the forewings and the hind wings, they beat alternately. They beat 100 times per second, and they have to bring up their body temperature to fly. Okay. Okay. Oh man, how do you say this one? Inchideradim? Oh man, I can't say it. Anyways, you can see it how to say it. The phylum is starfish, brittlefish, sea lily, sea urchin, sea cucumber, sand dollar. Okay, look at this word and remember these pictures. Starfish, brittlefish, sea lily, sea urchin, sea cucumber, sand dollar. They have an internal skeleton and their body is divided into 5 equal parts. Okay? 5 equal parts. They also, how they defend themselves, they lose their arm or they have sharp or venomous spines. Okay, remember, look at the picture and remember, starfish, brittlefish, sea lily, sea urchin, sea cucumber, sand dollar. Okay, now, diphtheria, dip, dip, dip. Okay, these are the guys that dip. In this phylum, we have mosquitoes, flies, gnats. Okay, flies only have 2 wings, and they spread disease by they transmit bacteria from dung and rotting flesh to food. Diphtheria, mosquitoes, flies, and gnats. Okay, let's see. How do we say this one? Lepidopteria, however you guys want to say it. You can read it right there. I think of the L as lick, lick, lick. Butterflies and moths have long, curly tongues. Okay, and that's the 2 that are in here. Lick, lick, lick. According to your book, there are 34 phylum in the animal kingdom. 34 phylum animal kingdom. Worms. There are 1 million species of worms. The 3 most important: flatworms, segmented worms, roundworms. Okay? Flat, segmented, and round. Trilobite. A group of arthropods that lived 500 million years ago. Died 262 million years ago. We only know about them from fossil records. Okay? So, lived 500 million, died 262 million. Insects. Identified species, over 1 million. Over 1 million identified. Scorpions' babies are born live. No eggs. See? They're riding on their mommy's back. Right there. Cockroaches. Been around for 340 million years. Because Raid hasn't gotten themselves together yet. Disease. Lice. Typhus. They spread typhus. This guy has a fever. He has typhus. Then the lice get on him. Then it jumps to this guy, makes him sick. Fleas, bubonic plague. The fleas were on the rats. Then they got on the people, which gave the people the bubonic plague. Lice, typhus, fleas, bubonic plague. Can you feel the love tonight? After mating, will she eat me? No! Only in captivity. And that is it. Good luck, guys.